What's up, YouTube? It's Jack here, also known as Man of Steel. Today I'm going to be showing you the fidget spinners. Here, I'll just let me rest the camera right here. Here is the black one, the stainless steel, which is nice, but it's light, really light for this one. And I'm gonna test it out today, so here we go. See how fast it goes. That's how fast it can go. So let's see if it can go a little faster. Yeah, I don't think it can go a lot faster. Okay, now here's the blue one. It's the Lego fidget spinner. And let's see how fast this one goes. Here's me balancing it. The weights well, the bearings are not weights, so they make it go faster, I think. So here between this one, stainless steel black, and this one goes faster right here, so leave a like down there if you want. For those who don't want to, it doesn't really matter to me because I just let people do whatever they want, so and subscribe if you want, and that's it.